clever enough to have perpetrated such a dastardly crime.
Ha! And I thought you were ready to give up.
Look at this little cutie. She was sleeping and then I turned the camera on and now she's awake. I'm so sorry. She's so cute. Oh my god. Go back to sleep. Go back to sleep. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
There's only one man clever enough to have perpetrated such a dastardly crime.
Ha! And I thought you were ready to give up.
Okay, so a lot has happened since my last video. I completely fell off the bandwagon and was not meal prepping consistently, nor was I going to the gym consistently. I've been moving house, so it's been very stressful and I haven't been able to get into like a more consistent routine because I've been staying in other people's houses and it's just no excuses though. I know I could have done better, I just didn't. So my nutrition coach and I have decided that the 18th of August is when we're going to do week 1 of everything, including workouts, meal plans. I have, so the way it works with my nutrition coach, I do have to send her pictures every single Sunday, and every single Sunday she gives me a new meal plan. We are doing this thing where we are going into reverse dieting first. And this is a little bit different because I thought with bikini preps it's a 3-month period, but she not recommends, she highly suggested that I bulk first and then shred. And the process of that is called reverse dieting, as she was explaining to me. And I'm not gonna lie with you, it's a little bit intimidating because it does involve weight gain, like slight weight gain, not too bad. But basically I'm gonna be increasing my calories for the next 3 months, and for the 3 months after that, I'll be decreasing my calories. And it's like really weird because it's like I've never thought about weight gain and like increasing, eating more food to be like a form of like a healthy lifestyle. And it's kind of weird because I feel like we're so conditioned to eat less and do less and be, you know what I mean, when it comes to like losing weight and like you know, getting into good shape. But it's just nice to know that I can eat more to attain like a long-term goal. It's a very like nice feeling, I guess. So the 3-month plan has turned into a 6-month plan. I'll definitely vlog the whole thing, but again, it's going to be 3 months of bulking and then 3 months of shredding. The reason that I'm doing this as well is because I want to be able to get my metabolism to a level where I'm not starving myself in order to lose. Sorry about that, my camera ran out of memory. So the reason I was explaining why I'm doing this is that when I do get to the point where I'm shredding, I'm not going down to a calorie level where I'm like starving myself. Because I do have to keep in mind that I still have to gain the muscle in order to look good on bikini day. I mean, not bikini day, show day. Like I can't be doing a bunch of cardio and not eating and then expect to still maintain muscle. Like that's not gonna happen. So the muscle is staying, the fat is going, I'm bulking and then I'm shredding. That's how it's working. This is super exciting. I'm so excited. Honestly, I am. I'm super excited.